welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Serpi. Now today I'm going to be talking about the incident where businessman, right, him own a popular fashion store, right, known as Fashion Bloc, right. People more know him as Redz because they know in Jamaica your nickname is very simple. If you're very dark skinned then you're Blocs, and if you're very light skinned then you're Redz, right. So Redz, real name Jason, right, lost his life, right, he go party on the Waltham and never going back. Now, there's been many theories surrounding how him lose him life. Right. People that say a parking lot dispute. People that say them did want him license for Here's the thing. More than one thing can be true at the same time. Let me explain. The missing piece of the puzzle is that because the parking lot dispute is accurate, and the fact that them take him license firearm is also accurate. But before the parking lot dispute, it wasn't no car business them argue over. It wasn't same no park good or him can. What really set it off was 87 walk down pan him and tell him, so the boss said he must send a thing. That's right, what led to the dispute in the parking lot. Remember, you know, people that go party, people that walk past and see man argue. Them can tell, say, well, man argue in a parking lot, and then afterwards man dead. So people are going to say, well, the argument lead to the. But what really started? The man then basically try to tax him. See, me could have covered this story earlier, but I know say something missing. Because I know say 87s, right? Majority are VLIQ, but parking lot, especially if you're a youth like Redz, right, that sound kinda too basic. So I tax the man, them try tax him. Tell him say must send a thing, right, to them quote unquote boss, and him basically run the youth. Right. They run the youth them, right, and them same one, right, kill him after him left the party. Right. Now the yard where him dead in is actually a spooky yard. Couple man dropping in that same yard. Right? But when him leave the party now, he was, under the influence of the liquor. So obviously he's not as sharp as when him like go in there. The man then alleviate him, right? Attack him, right? Whole shot him again. Then disarm him. Right? Now this part, because people realize then disarm him, this is how the next set of people that say, oh well, are they going in the one? Right? I think that was the original target. As me say, more than one thing is coming true at the same time. Right. Let me tell you something. Now for the man them, right, have this style where when you think say, when you can just, get rich and, make big money and drive nice car and just hang around on 87 Bloc, just like that, and I say it work. Here's enough people that tell you now. When you see people who are very successful in a business, right, live in a certain ends or even linger in a certain ends, they are paying them dues in one way, shape or form. And paying dues is a nice way of putting it. Let's just call it what it is. They're being extorted. Anytime you see a man make a bag of money and steal it on a certain corner, understand so whichever gang I run out this, you have to contribute to the system in one way, shape or form. Either have to go help them buy shot, buy gun, or they might link him say, yo, we'll put on one treat, one if you contribute, yo, we'll put on one dance, whatever this. Money have to run. That's a nice way of something to money have to run. No, enough man, right, delude themselves in the thinking say it's voluntary. Me give them a thing, come I want give them a thing. Alright, stop now and see what come to you. No man, me other than a friend man, me give him a thing, come I want give him a thing. Alright, stop and see what come to you. You think you can hang around hyenas all day, right, and just have KFC chicken and flash in front of them? It not go work. It not go work. You see, enough people are link when I say they can't believe I saw Redz losing life. Matter of fact, the place where he drop, him used to live about 5 minutes from there, so walking distance. So it's not like say he's a stranger to the Waltham. But you see, when you come from a place, right, make some money and then decide to go linger back to the place where you come from. See, enough man do it and in a them mind, they must say, well, they must stay true to them roots and them they really want turn them back on and all them things there. And that's fine, but you want now. No for the man them no look on it that way there. No for the man them look on it say, yeah, show off on them. And they must wait for the right opportunity to take your life. See, you can either live in a fantasy world or you can live in the world that exists. Right? And the world that exists, right? The real world, this is how things work. People who have something to lose should avoid those who don't. Let me say that again. People who have something to lose should avoid those who don't. Right? Redz, have your mother take care of her. Right? You must send family members a foreign go college. You have him woman, you have a little boy, right, who is now fatherless. Right? You have business employees, all kind of things. And him there when I walk them. I enjoy himself on a party. Amongst man who really don't check for him. Because see them they check for him will still be alive. You might say, well, you can't say that sir because man I go dead back and me say man dead back already, that now bring him back. All if 100 man dead back, he now come back. Enough people who come from a certain place make a money, right? Whether them go foreign or they might start a business or something going for them and then them quickly take of themselves. Right? People are quickly condemn them and say, oh, them sell out. Right? Them forget where them come from. It's real simple, Right? You rather sell out or dead out. That right there so is a mind game, right? That is reverse psychology. So you go here sell out no one say, well, I don't want to sell out, so I don't sit down right here so with them 87s, yeah. Right, in me 2021 red Benz van. Because I don't want to sell out. Right? I don't want nobody to say me I sell out. Right? Them are mind games people use by the same people must say that if them ever make the money, then gone. See, when you listen to man sing song and tell them about them now left out here, and them now left out here, so the man them will sing them song and tell them that, you know where them live? Jackshill, Narbrook, Cherry Garden, Long Mountain, why next one? Golden Triangle, at them place to them live. Them a sing song and tell you how them real and them still up on the block and them no them pass through the block and pay them dues, cause them have to pay them dues, but when time night draw down, then gone back uptown. Far away from 87s. Which part them live, not even clappers go off, much as gunshot. Won't they that talk about, cause people are link me say, sir, Redz always pass through, cause I know them and they keep it real. Keep it real? Real what, dead? You can't keep it real with people who don't even understand the meaning of the word. You think 87s keep it real? You think vultures keep it real? The only thing they care about is what have you done for me lately? Keyword lately, not what have you done for me, because you can do things for them. You can do whole heap of things to them, but it's lately. Alright, you did give me that last week, but what about this week? What you mean no? What you mean no, you not give me? Oh, so you think say you're bad? Or you think say the little license gonna get help? Alright, stay and wait for you. That's all it take. People who have something to lose should avoid those who don't. If you have a good friend them on the block where you want to see, sometimes if you invite them right out and say, listen, you come look for me, I will go here so. Look at our country, let me show you some life, let me show you say there's more to Jamaica. See, enough man love park up them dear vehicle on certain ends and then buy beer man liquor right, and things that are like guarantee them some kind of safety. Man you drink your liquor and then come lick out your head back later on. And don't assume everybody have the same heart and mind where you have. Because sometimes people have a good heart and want to help people, you know, them grow up with or whatever. You know. You wish the best for them, but them wish the worst for you. And you not even know that. Because certain man come like a zebra. I'm not talking about one of the behind bars. There's a reason why man not a pet zebra. The zebra wild. Nobody thinks you can go for a zebra and turn it into a little pet and put on a little saddle on him and prance around. Zebra and run them joke there. That's what 87 stay. You might think say, oh well, look like same cool. One bad day and them take your life. Them kill one of a foolishness. And then the fact say him have from a year a bossy license gun that make him an even bigger target. Think about it. Him name have, you know, a buzz. Him a drive expensive vehicle. Probably have on an expensive watch, expensive clothes. Up on top of it, him have a gun on him. That right there so is a 87 Octane's ideal target. He couldn't be a better target for them. Enough time by a certain place where you are see licensed firearm holders pull up and you can clearly tell say this person is armed, you know, matica hang off a waist. Because enough man treat them licensed firearm like jewelry, you know. You know that? I'm not talking about Redz now, because I don't know him deal with film thing. Right? Everybody seems to know about him bossy gun, so I don't know about. I tell you, say, enough Jamaican licensed firearm holder treat them weapon like jewelry. Them want you see it. Much time in the place and the person was stand up in front of me. Right? Have them weapon on them side. I'm like, look at this brother. I'm within arm's distance of him. I'm the right there so. Right? If I was at 87, I could have grabbed him weapon off him waist right now. And him, before him even know, as him feel the touch, it gone. Right? And threw him down and left. If I was at 87. Now, what do you think of that money with an actual 87? Stand up behind him and say, hold on. Matica hang off on waist. If you're armed, right, is it that people are going to make up their mind, you know? Right? You see, if you never go for weapons, right, and say you want to protect yourself, your lifestyle have to change, brother. Man want to have license firearm and live like them that have none. Your entire lifestyle have to be adjusted. The way you dress have to change. 87 are watching, you know. You can't be a licensed firearm holder and then at the street, right, and drunk. Right? A pure chance for enough man to dead long time. Right? Because them just happen if you never book up that's on 87 that night day, or on 87 they will pre them and notice them armed that night. Right? Man drunk like butter stag all over the place, right, have licensed firearm in their waist. You can't be a licensed firearm holder. Right? And every girl you go check, you take off weapon off her waist and a wristband table for girls to see a strap. Or you know so no one kerosene. Remember sir, so even the ACP losing life, you know, Jamaica, you know. Are the gun them they want, you know. Girls she say, hold on them. When I send a message to my mother, tell her I'm gonna be a little late then time there. A dark part she text. Them time that sci-fi she text. Hey, come at the yard fast. You have one gun, hurry up and catch him. I'm gonna try delay. I'm gonna delay for about half an hour. So hurry up and come so we can catch him outside. You don't do what you do. Pull up your pants and things, say, yeah. You know. Yeah, go home to your family now. Right. Relax and eat your dinner. Okay, you don't know. You think say you're top galleys. 87 out the road. Ambush as you walk through the front door. Multiple rounds, drop, weapon gone. Man, you have to think different, brother. We're living in extremely dangerous times. I'm telling you something about South St. Andrew. When you realize that this barely even make news, I don't even see it in the news. I was trying to find some news articles about what I'm to read them, not even seeing the news. And me say man even lose about them life since that long a while time. I'm not see that in the news neither. South St. Andrew have the most killings as a division in Jamaica. It consistently come out #1. So much people did at South St. Andrew. the news don't even bother cover most of them. It have to be like one triple murder or something extraordinary if you make the news. You see how popular Redz is and it come like nothing. The 87s from that general vicinity, right? The man they will take your life. Right? For your bag juice. Right? A bag juice. Enough time killings go on and people are looking for some kind of big sophisticated plan. Because people, enough people still have it to say it must be like a grand scheme and this huge conspiracy. Enough time are some of the simplest things. Then take life off. So when somebody like Redz with so much success, they run them can't wait for you to slip up. So yes, there was a parking lot dispute. They tell him saying, that's how they tell him saying can't park here, so because him initially tell him no. So I saw them say no, alright, well you can't stay here, so. And Redz do him own thing and left the vehicle and gone to the party. Right. But that right there, so the whole parking lot thing, that's a smoke screen. The argument and a smoke screen that. Kill the youth, take him up and just like that. Him look a youth, right? I don't know the age of that boy, but he look very young. Right? He's now fatherless. Over complete. It's madness, senseless violence. I noticed in this video, I'm not even going into too much detail about the actual 87 them were responsible for it. No, that's the idea. I might have to go do a follow up on this. But just want people to understand something. This was avoidable. Redz could be home with his family right now, right, listening to this video. People love to say, well, when I hear time, I just hear time. Or me see it, people can take steps to avoid certain things. There's a reason why you don't jump in your car every day, drink 1 liter, right, a white rum, right, and drive 250 kilometers per hour. You won't do that every day, and you say, well, when I'm my day, that's my day. Right. I feel like people need to do the best they can to avoid certain things. Right. The way this went down, it almost come like the man give him life. Very unfortunate circumstances. Right. I'm just say, him youth fatherless, but so Jamaica around now. Place extra spooky, and this year is going to be one of the spookiest years in a long time. Right. Look out for some big numbers by the time December 31st come around. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up himself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.